Hello, hello, hello. Today monitoring a section of the hydrogen line, 14 to 20 kilo megacycles, with this old fellow here, a Singer panoramic spectrum analyzer that actually has audio output. When I use Z-axis to an audio amp, you can also hear the unique signals. Bought this at the University of British Columbia in 1997. Used it for listening to solar flux index signals, cell phones, and other unique things up in the high band. It goes up to 44 gigahertz. And you have a direct input here with coaxial cable. As you go up higher in the bands, of course, you got waveguide connectors. So I do have some flexible waveguide. It's got a meter for measuring plate current, all these different currents and things, voltage, inputs for all kinds of cool inputs, like external sync and all that stuff. These are the band switching. My antenna for this fellow, oops, we had a blip there. That's all adjustable, of course. Coax running up to this antenna off a warship, off the countermeasure system. This seems to work right with up to 18 gigahertz. It works excellent. I have two of them off of Saskatchewan and Yukon. Here is a close-up of the front of it. You may note the unique formations of it for monitoring signals and transmitting signals. It was housed in a big fiberglass, almost telephone booth size rounded piece on the warships. Underneath this area, actually this was the bottom part of the whole antenna structure. It was a revolving plate on an angle, spinning around and going all the way up to yet another one of these, but smaller, as a transceiver as well. Very unique stuff. Makes excellent antenna for transmitting as well as broadcasting. I should say receiving. Some of the components from it are these pieces here. This is 7 to 12 gigs. I have several of these pieces, different frequencies. Has all kinds of interconnecting connectors. That's antenna switching systems, which unfortunately I don't have. Relays, amplifier, power supplies, monitoring gears, about 30 different pieces that go with the countermeasure system, which I had two sets. And the monitor and all the different controls and modules. It's different steps in RF, that kind of thing. So that's the antenna.